All right, so today I'm working on the tank, and see here I made a cardboard template of the cutout area, leaving me just a little bit of room to where the tank can be slid in from one side or the other. So I'm gonna make me another one of these pieces, and then I'm gonna start trying to box this tank in and see what we're gonna do. Now, this bike is eventually gonna be electric also, a hybrid. So the tank is actually gonna be fake. I'm gonna put a poly tank inside of this tank along with a dividing wall and a spot to install a battery. So what I've done here is I've cut this out, and I've got another piece of cardboard that I cut out. And then I've got this box that, the Tecumseh box, which the poly tank actually came in. And what I did on this tank to get it to fit and make this box a little smaller, I had to heat the tank up with a heat gun. I put it in my vise, squeezed it together, and I actually got an extra ½ an inch out of it, narrowing it down. Still wasn't quite enough, but it took the belly out of the tank to where it would fit closer to the edge of the box. And then I took the heat gun and heated the neck and pulled the neck over, and I was able to actually get another ½ an inch. So the ½ an inch that I got and the other ½ an inch allowed me to shrink the size of this box down by almost, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch. So, but anyway, I had mocked this up, the box up in there, and had it fitting pretty good. And now it's time to take it apart and pull the poly tank out, make this box out of steel, and let's get it welded up. All right, I just got to get the little curve right there where the frame is bent down, and hopefully this side will match up. Still got that little piece right there that I've got to do with a die grinder. But hopefully this will match up with the other piece that I did, and we can continue on. All right, so I took the box apart, and I made one side of the gas tank, and then I used that to make the other side of the gas tank. I'm gonna go cut that out. Then we're gonna take the top and the bottom off the box, cardboard box, and start making the top and the bottom. All right, those match up good. I just gotta take this piece right here off. Took that off, made it round. Should match the other one perfect. Let's keep moving. All right, two sides. Got those made. Now I need to cut out the bottom. And cut out the top. The top is what we're going after now. The bottom is incomplete. Let me take this tank out of here.
Alright, got the top and bottom on both sides. The only things I don't have cut out are the ends. And then, of course, when I do it with these, I may do some adjusting on it to make sure I'm going the direction that I want to go. So, let's get back at it.
Is that last week too?
All right, I thought I'd share these with you. Most of you guys may know what these are. These are little nut certs. They have thread inside, and these right here are 8/32 thread. I'm using these little brass screws with them. What these are, you put them on the end of a nut cert gun, which is exactly like a rivet gun. And you install them on the threads just like that. And it's pretty simple. You just squeeze them in and they become thread certs. Just like that, they squeeze a mushroom on the back and they are locked in place. And this is part of the motor cover. And this is where I'll put it together. And then with these brass screws, they'll look antique-ish, like it was made back in the day. After I get through patinaing it up and everything, you'll see what I'm doing. But anyway, just wanted to give you a little detail, up close look at that. I thought, you know, all right, just doing a little test fit on the gas tank. Hadn't welded in the bottom yet, or the front. Just need to make sure everything fits good before I go through that. And I gotta make a compartment for the battery to go. Motor covers are coming together. Still gotta make an oil tank for the back. All right, so I got the oil tank cut out and spot welding it in. I run out of gas on my welder on the TIG, and I just ran out on these 3 spot welds on this. So let me see what I can do, if I can find another bottle of gas in the shop, or if I'm gonna have to wait on this. But anyway, I may get out the gas torch and tack it. Not a whole lot of progress this week, or this part 3, but I did get the tank made and I got the oil tank made. I welded it 3 different types of weld. Started out with TIG and then ran out of gas. Started out with MIG and ran out of gas. Ended up gas welding it. And that's the way it would have been done back in the day anyway. But I did leave it, you know, there is some spots in it that intentionally got left so that it'll pick up a little bit more of the patina. This is going to be a patina bike. It's not going to be a, you know, a bike that's got shiny paint on it. The next one might be. But anyway, this is going to be part 3. Part 4, hopefully to be finished with the bike. I'm hoping it don't stretch out into a part 5, but that's my plans anyway. So anyway, I'm going to get some tank straps installed on this one for upper and lower with a little nut certs that I showed you earlier, and we get some mounts made for the oil tank, and we've got a little bit of fab work we need to do on the chain tensioner. Other than that, it's ready to strip down, paint, detail, and put back together. So anyway, as always, thanks for watching, thanks for sharing, and thanks for subscribing. You guys mean a lot to me. We're just one big happy family on the YouTube channel, and I sure appreciate all the support and all the likes and you guys watching. So hopefully this is going to inspire somebody to get out and do one yourself. Till next time, get out in the garage and make something.